Hello and welcome. I have taken over this week, but it's for a wonderful reason. It's for a great snack your parents can make for you. For a movie, or lunch, or a late night snack. You understand? Now, what you're going to need to do is add 1/3 cup of oil to a pan large enough to make the popcorn in. Throw a few kernels into the pan. When the temperature is right, the kernels pop. Another pop. It's so funny, just stop doing that. Oh, it's starting to pop. I want some of that. When the pan is up to temperature, now add the 1 cup of kernels and the 1/3 cup of sugar. Mix it all up like this, or with a wooden spoon. A great idea is to use a strainer on top to allow the steam out, but not the kernels as they pop. It sounds like the popcorn is about ready. Turn off the heat and stir with the wooden spoon. Add some extra sugar on top for extra sweetness and a little bit of salt just for adding some flavor. Flip it and serve. And there you have it, a wonderful snack when dropped on the floor for me to nibble on. Oh, it's so delicious. It's grumdiddlyumptious. So, bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed. Excuse me, but it seems you have made a mistake. My bowl is empty and it doesn't have any popcorn in it. Oh, I can't even express the words, but I hope you enjoyed this episode and I hope you want to see me more. Please share this video with all your friends, family and loved ones. Thank you.
Don't work too hard.
Harry baby. Harry baby.
Alright, come on.
Oh, okay.